Good morning, everyone. Today, we all are here to acknowledge the privilege of being born in India and to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our nation. We are really proud to be an Indian. Long back in 1947, we got our independence. Today, we all are living in an independent India only because of the struggles of our freedom fighters. It is really important to remember each of them today. Each year in New Delhi at Red Fort, the national anthem is sung after the flag hoisting ceremony, and throughout India, Independence Day is observed with flag hoisting ceremonies, parades, and a lot of cultural events as well. 15th August is not only about freedom, it also reminds us about the pain of being enslaved, the strength of unity, and it also defines the sacrifices.
Light of the world, you step down into darkness. Open my eyes, let me see beauty that made this heart adore you. Hope of the light spent with you. Here I am to worship, here I am to bow down, here I am to say that you're my Lord. You're altogether worthy, altogether lovely, altogether wonderful to me.
I am Lakshmi Bai. I was born on 19 November 1828 in Varanasi. I know many skills such as horse riding, self-defense and shooting. I got married to Gangadhar Rao Maharaja of Jhansi. After the death of Gangadhar Rao, I became the queen of Jhansi. This is my Jhansi and I am daughter of this soil. I will never give my Jhansi to anyone. Let's pay tribute to Rani Lakshmi Bai. जहाँ 1957 में वह तलवार पुरानी थी, सुनने ले आए फूलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी। खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। भाग फिरंगी भाग, भाग फिरंगी भाग, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। हर हर महादेव, हर हर महादेव।
चमक उठे सन 57 में वह तलवार पुरानी थी, बुल्ले ले हर बोलो के मुंह हमने सुनी ये कहानी थी। खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। हर हर महादेव। धन्यवाद।
मेरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी है। मेरा जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 में हुआ था। सब लोग मुझे प्यार से बापू जी भी बुलाते थे। मेरे पिताजी का नाम करमचंद गांधी है और माता जी का नाम पुतली बाई है। मैंने स्वतंत्रता के लिए हमेशा सत्य और अहिंसा का मार्ग चुना और मैंने कई आंदोलन किए थे। इंदिरा गांधी। I was born on 19 November 1917 at Anand Bhavan in Uttar Pradesh. I am the third Prime Minister of India. I was also the first Lady Prime Minister of India. I am the only daughter of the first Indian Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Kamala Nehru. I got received highest civilian honor Bharat Ratna in 1971. I started Garibi Hatao campaigning launching for poor. I can proudly say that I was a freedom fighter for peace and security of the nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद। मैं भगत सिंह। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है। देखना है जोर कितना बाजू एक दिल में है। वक्त आने दे बता देंगे तुझे भी ऐ आसमां। हम अभी से क्या बताएं क्या हमारे दिल में है। ये धमाका हमने किसी को नुकसान पहुंचाने के लिए नहीं किया, बल्कि ये हमने अंग्रेजों तक अपनी बात पहुंचाने के लिए किया है। वंदे मातरम।
Mahatma Gandhi. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Today, I am presenting a character portrait of Jawaharlal Nehru, a great freedom fighter of India. I was born on 14 November 1889 at Allahabad. My father's name was Motilal Nehru and my mother's name was Sarup Rani. love and sacrifice that inspire mother of the race. When there is oppression, the only self-respecting thing is to rise and say, this shall change today because my right is justice. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Good wishes to all. I'm here as a brave Irish lady. Dr. Annie Besant, a women's rights activist, writer, and orator, who played an important role in the freedom struggle of India. She was the first woman president of Indian National Congress. Her words says, "My own life in India has been devoted to one purpose: to give back to India her freedom."
Mahatma Gandhi was born 2nd October 1869 at Port Bandara, Gujarat. He was the greatest freedom fighter of India. His policy of non-violence gave people a way to fight for freedom. He was simple living and high thinking. The main teaching was truth and love to all mankind.
महात्मा गांधी जी ने बहुत सारे आंदोलन किए, जिसमें से भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन प्रमुख है। महात्मा गांधी को राष्ट्रपिता भी कहा जाता है।
I am telling about Dr. Chatterjee. Chatterjee was the first Prime Minister of India. He liked children very much.
Bhagat Singh was a great freedom fighter. He sacrificed his life to become India free. सरफिरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। जय हिंद। दुल्हन मेरी दुल्हन नहीं होगी, दुल्हन मेरी दुल्हन नहीं होगी, आजादी मेरी दुल्हन होगी। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
कानपुर के नाना की बोली बहन चली थी, लक्ष्मीबाई नाम पिता की वह सत्ता अकेली थी। Now I would like to tell you about Madam Bikaji Dastoka. She was born in Bombay in 1861. She was an indomitable freedom fighter. She became first person to hoist Indian flag on foreign soil in Stuttgart, Germany. One of her famous speeches is, "Behold, the flag of independent India is born. It has been seen separated by the blood of young Indians, who have sacrificed their lives in its honor. In the name of the flag, I appeal to lovers of freedom all over the world to support this struggle. In the last, I would like to say, India must be free, India must be republic, India must be united."
Bhagat Singh founded Naujawan Bharat Sabha in 1926 with an aim to get rid of British rule in India.
Sarojini Naidu was an Indian freedom fighter and poetess. She was also known as Nightingale of India. She was also called Gandhiji's Mickey Mouse.
स्वदेश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। हो ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का। इस देश का यारों है, इस देश का यारों क्या कहना। ये देश है दुनिया का कहना। हो यहाँ चौड़ी छाती हैं रांझे मस्ती है झूमे बस्ती में। हो कहीं दंगल शौक जवानों के, करतब तीर कमानों के, यहाँ नित नित मेले होए, यहाँ नित नित मेले सजते हैं, नित ढोल और ताशे बजते हैं। हो दिल भर के लिए दिलदार है हम, दुश्मन के लिए तलवार है हम, मैदान में अगर हम डट जाए, मुश्किल है कि पीछे हट जाए। हो पेड़ों में बहारें झूलों की, राहों में कतारें फूलों की, यहाँ हंसता है सावन बालों में, खिलती है कलियां गालों में। हो ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारो है, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना, इस देश का यारो।
आज तिरंगा फहराता है अपनी पूरी शान से, हमें मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। आजादी के लिए हमारी लंबी चली लड़ाई थी, लाखों लोगों ने प्राणों से कीमत बड़ी चुकाई थी। व्यापारी बनकर आए थे और छल से हम पर राज किया, हमको आपस में लड़वाने की नीति अपनाई थी। हमने अपना गौरव पाया अपने स्वाभिमान से, हमें मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से।
गांधी, तिलक, सुभाष, जवाहर का प्यारा ये देश है, जियो और जीने दो का देता ये सबको संदेश है। प्रहरी बनकर खड़ा हिमालय जिसके उत्तर द्वार पर, हिंद महासागर दक्षिण में इसके लिए विशेष है। लगी गूंजने दसों दिशाएं वीरों के इस गान से, हमें मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। हमें हमारी मातृभूमि से मिला इतना दुलार है, उसकी आंचल की छैया से छोटा ये संसार है। हम ना कभी हिंसा के आगे अपनी शीश झुकाएंगे, सच पूछो तो पूरा विश्व हमारा ही परिवार है। विश्व शांति की चली हवाएं अपने हिंदुस्तान से, हमें मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों के
बंदे देश के निवासी, सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है। गंगा जमुना ब्रह्मपुत्र कृष्णा का।
India has rich cultural tradition. Dance is part of our rich cultural heritage. It is varied as the land itself. It has underlying unity which binds the people of our country together. Today, class 12 is going to present the traditional dance forms of India.
ताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिवः शिवम् जटाकटाह सम्भ्रम भ्रम निलिम्ब निर्झरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाट पट्ट पावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रतिः प्रतिक्षणम् मम जटाभुजंग पिंगल स्फुरत् प्रणामणि प्रभा कदम्ब कुङ्कुमद्रव प्रलिप्त दिग्वधूमुखे मदान्ध सिन्धुरस्फुरत्वगुत्तरीय मेधुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं बिभर्तु भूत भर्तरि ॐ नमः शिवाय। Like that.
अपना रूप रंग सजाऊं, मेहंदी हाथा में लगवाऊं, पायल कंगन भी मंगवाऊं, फिर नीर भरण में जाऊं। पायल कंगन भी मंगवाऊं, फिर नीर भरण में जाऊं। घूंघट काना सा काढूं ना कसर घालूंगी, 52 गज का दामन पैर में टक चलूंगी। 52 गज का दामन पैर में टक चलूंगी। गाँव में होवे गाज खुड़का जुत्ती मड़कण आली पहरूं। छिड़ेगी बहुआ में तकरार जब मैं हवा की तरिया लहरूं। सोने की गुट्ठी गले में हार डालूंगी, 52 गज का दामन पैर में टक चलूंगी। 52 गज का दामन पैर में टक चलूंगी।
മുത്താളം മുടിതാളം കളിയാടും നാടേ നിൻ തുഞ്ചത്ത് മുത്തോളം മുകിലോളം മലയാളം പാടും നിൻ തീരത്ത് പൂപ്പൊലിപ്പാട്ടീണം മൈലാഞ്ചി പാട്ടിനഴകൊടു കൂട്ടുകൂടും നേരം നല്ലോണം നമ്മൾ കോണം മിന്നൽ പൂരം തുടിതാളം മഴയുടെ മേളം നരപനതാളം പരിചകളുടെ നീരൊളി മേളം ചിരുതാളം നിലവിടും മേളം
topic, we all are Indians first. History is our witness and martyrs are the God. We are disciples of Gurus, this land is saints aboard. Compassion is our heritage, in humanity do we trust. Neither Hindu nor Muslim, we all are Indians first. Diversity is our culture and unity is our strength. We strive for peace of world, but are cautious of defense. Challengers of our sovereignty, for sure would fight that task. Neither Kannada nor Oriya, we all are Indians first. Now we are going to present a documentary on freedom struggles of India.
Indian nationalism is a great phenomenon. It came into the being during the British period. The growth of Indian nationalism started in the 19th century. The social and religious reform movements and popular anti-British rules contributed to the Indian nationalism. Farmers were suffering under the new land tenure system which was introduced by the British government. The Indian industrialists were sad because of the economic policy introduced by the British government. All other important duties on cotton textiles were removed in 1882, which harmed the textile industry.
Rani Lakshmibai, the Queen of Jhansi. Lakshmibai was one of the leading figures of Indian revolt of 1857 and a symbol of resistance to the British rule in India. Lakshmibai was born in 1828 in Varanasi. Later she was married to Raja Gangadhar Rao, the Maharaj of Jhansi. Since their first child died, they adopted a child named Damodar Rao and proclaimed him as the legal heir to the throne. When Raja died, the British rulers refused to accept Damodar Rao as the legal heir to the throne. Lakshmibai was ordered to leave the fort, but she refused to give her right on Jhansi. She assembled and strengthened her army when the British troops arrived to conquer the fort. She led her troops and fought the battle bravely.
The Indian Mutiny of 1857 to 1859 was a widespread yet unsuccessful rebellion against the rule of the British East India Company, which acted as a sovereign power on behalf of the British Crown. It was the first expression of organized resistance against the British and marked an unprecedented event in the history of British rule in India. It united many different sections of the Indian society for a common goal. Though the revolt failed to achieve its desired goal, it sowed the seeds of nationalism in the hearts of many Indians.
The period from 1919 to 1948 is known as Gandhian era in Indian history. Mahatma Gandhi to the freedom movement with the principle of truth, non-violence and satyagraha. Due to the influential leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, the national movement became more comprehensive. This led to the new beginning of new era in the freedom movement of India. During this period, Mahatma Gandhi has become undisputed leader of national movement.
The Jallianwala Bagh massacre on 13 April 1919, people gathered at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar to protest against the arrest of two nationalist leaders, Satyapal and Dr. Saifuddin Kichliu. The meeting was peaceful and many aged men, women and children were present. General Dyer, a British officer, entered the park with military troops and opened fire on these unarmed demonstrators. As the park had high walls and only one exit, hardly anyone could escape. Hundreds were killed and over 1,000 injured. After this massacre, martial law was declared throughout Punjab.
Khilafat movement. The Khilafat movement was launched in September 1919 as a communal movement to protect the Ottoman Emperor of Turkey and save his empire from the Great Britain and other European powers. It was initiated by Muhammad Ali, Shaukat Ali, Abdul Kalam Azad and M.A. Ansari. The Khilafat movement and non-cooperation movement merged into nationwide movement by the year end of 1920.
Non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement was a mass movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1920. It was a peaceful and a non-violent protest against British government in India. Programs of non-cooperation movement were: Indians were asked to relinquish their titles and resign from nominated seats in local bodies as a mark of protest. People had to resign from their government jobs. People were asked to withdraw their children from government-controlled or aided schools and colleges. People had to boycott foreign goods and use only Indian-made goods. The main aim of the non-cooperation movement was the demand of Swaraj and self-government.
Dandi March. The Dandi March, also known as Salt March or Salt Satyagraha, was an act of non-violent civil disobedience in colonial India, led by Mahatma Gandhi. The 24-day march lasted from 12th March 1930 to 5th March 1930 as a direct action campaign of tax resistance and non-violent protest against British salt monopoly. Gandhi started this 240-mile march with 78 of his trusted volunteers from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi. Growing number of Indians joined them along the way. When Gandhi broke the British Raj Salt Law on 6 April 1930, it sparked large-scale civil disobedience against the Salt Law by millions of Indians.
Gandhi had made certain demands on behalf of the Indian National Congress to the British government. When these demands were not fulfilled, the civil disobedience movement was launched in 1930. The movement began with Dandi March, where Mahatma Gandhi broke the Salt Law. People were asked to be uncooperative to the British regime. The movement ceased completely on 7th April 1934.
The partition of India and Pakistan. In August 1947, when after 300 years in India, the British finally left, the subcontinent was partitioned into two independent nation states, India and Pakistan. The greatest migration in human history began as millions of people fled from one side of the country to another side. After the partition, the subcontinent descended quickly into riots and bloodshed. Although the partition of India began in August 1947, the seeds of this occasion had already been sown in 1900, when Indian National Congress refused to represent Indian Muslims' rights and demands.
Independence Day is the biggest event for us Indians, as on this day we forget our differences and unite as one true nation. After all the struggles and sacrifices which were given to give India its own identity and not just a British colony, but a nation with full of diversity, heritage and culture of its own, which came to be known as Independent India, Mera Bharat.
Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country. As we move towards the end of today's special assembly, I would like to say Independence Day can be celebrated for various reasons across the country. But to be precise, the day is celebrated to keep the spirit of patriotism alive and at the same time enjoy the feeling of freedom. To remember the great souls who stood up for their rights and fought regardless of their lives. Much respect and a big salute to them. Today, on this auspicious day, let's take a pledge that we Indians will work hard towards the progress of our motherland and keep her name and fame high in the world. We'll let the tricolour fly high above in the sky and take this country to a premier seat in the Committee of Nations. May this spirit of freedom lead us all to the success and glory in life. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. Jai Hind, thank you.
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू।
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से।
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू,
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
कोई मारे ना यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है, ऐसे है
If there is one place on the face of the earth where all the living men have found a home from the very earliest days when man began the dream of existence, it is India.
Freedom is not a mere matter of political decision or new constitution. It is of the mind and heart, and if the mind narrows itself and is befolded and the heart is full of bitterness and hatred, then freedom is an absent.
It's our duty to pay for our liberty with our own blood. The freedom that we shall win through our sacrifices and exertion, we shall be able to preserve with our own strength.
You must be the change you wish to see the world. On this Independence Day, let us take a pledge that we in India will work hard towards the progress of our motherland to keep her name and fame in the world. We will let our tricolor fly high in the sky and tell the world that we are great on this earth.
The people of India are thankful to those who fought for the independence of their country. They celebrate their Independence Day every year on 15 August, which is marked as Indian Independence Day. The day is truly special for every Indian. All I desire for my country is happiness. Let's salute to our great nation on its Independence Day. And I hope you all feel grateful for the freedom you have and are proud of the nation you were born to. Thank you and happy Independence Day.